February 21st is National Sticky Buns Day. And according to my friend Stacy Jordan, there is not a bakery I can pass up. So this is perfect for me. However, instead of getting sticky buns, I went to Cinnaholic. And I don't know if you guys are familiar with Cinnaholic, but you can make any kind of cinnamon roll you want. They tout it as being vegan, so you got that. So I made cherry pie. I've been eating it. You can see there's the cinnamon roll underneath, and then it is loaded with cream cheese, frosting, and sugar, and cherries, and all kinds of stuff. So then, because I'm probably going to need dessert, I also got the apple pie one. So I'm hoping that you guys join me in getting whatever kind of sticky bun you want for today, because it is in fact a national holiday, and that is in fact what you're supposed to do, right?